So, good afternoon, Miss. Thanks for taking the time to with us today. So, we're going to ask a few questions about your previous internship experience. So, my name is Nestor, and here with me are
My name is Skater Carillo.
My name is Giselle Berisgado.
And lastly is I'm Juicy Ringcarn.
so my first question is, what is your name again?
All right, it's nice to meet you guys. I'm Jana Meganesto. Good afternoon.
So, nice to meet you, Ma'am Jenny. This first question is, where did you carry out your internship?
I carried out my internship at Lunop National High School, Lunop, Bolhan, Cebu.
Okay, next question. What was your internship role?
My role during that time was um, I was a student teacher there. hmm
So next question is when did you start your internship and when did it end?
Mm, Actually, I already forgot the specific date, but it started last February 2024 and it ended on May 2024, just this year.
So, what was your goal during your internship, man?
Yes, during that time, of course, it's not just about myself. Because of course, as a teacher, kanang daghan ba akong lackings of course, and dili pa gani ko confident enough to teach. So my goal was kanang i-boost akong confidence ba akong level of confidence because I will be facing diverse students like laylay sila og traits and characteristics, and on top of that I am aiming for an effective kanang interaction and communication with my students. Kay as a teacher, we are kuan man bound to kanang shape and hone their hearts and minds to become a better individual in the near future. So yes, and kuan sad kanang of course dili man di siya sayon gani ang among nagian as a student teacher. So ang ako as ang goal is kana ganing magpabilin gani nga strong ba despite sa kan kabuluyagon sa students because high school students man ang akong gihandle at that time.
So, next question. Was there a structured training and development plan that you were following during the internship?
Yes, there was because before we were deployed sa tagsa namo cooperating school. Na mi undergo mi og kanang trainings and seminars for consecutive days or weeks ato then kuan lang challenging lang kaayo siya, but of course it is very essential and beneficial for us teachers nga guided me ba before me i-deploy sa kanang sa schools, sa respective nga schools.
Okay, next question. Was there someone who supervised you during the internship, and in what way did he or she did it?
Yes, there was someone supervising us. Of course, they are the so-called cooperating teachers or what we call mentors. So that time, during that time, kanang sila ang nag-guide sa mga kung saan ako pag-handle ang among mga students. Of course, kanang kuan na sa mi ba? Gipasida na namin unsay ganing mga batasan sa among mga bata aron maka-prepare sad mi sa among nga self. Yes.
So, this is based on the last question. Did he or she evaluate you wait, you and give feedbacks about how you are doing? Can you share one of those feedbacks to us?
Yes, yes, she did. They did because duha man ako ang kuan, cooperating teacher at that time. And of course, yes, that's their responsibility man to guide me and to give feedback on kanang unsa akong gibuhat. And yeah, especially sa times nga magkuan ko kanang magdemo ko na ko'y demonstration. So naman na sila kanang paper nga gunitan, of course, to list down also kanang what are the things that I'm good at or what are the things that I have to improve. And isa ato is kanang sa akong first nga mentor is ganan ko niya nga ganing magpa-groupings ko. Oh, naman na yung mga task ba, collaboration tasks or activities kanang kailangan nga ako daang kanang ako daan silang i-group ba kana ganing kana ma-settle down na sila usa ako gani mo hatag og directions kay if wala pa sila nakalingkod tanan kanang gubot gani siya nya dili na silang minaw ba na pardon ma'am kanang ibalik daw mo sa ganito inana. Then sa second ako nga mentor is kana gani during class discussions I have to kana ganing dili ko magpasa sa dapat normal speed lang ang ako ang pag-deliver sa akong lesson because most of the time when kana ganing makulbaan ko is magpaspas jud akong tabi ba. Dili na ko makahunahon nga inanan day ang akong speed. Dili na siya natural speed. So mo to ang kasagaran sa ilahang kuan sa ako and of course I have kuan pod. Kailangan ligon ko cause there was a time nga badlungon kay akong grade 7 nga students and then gipahilak jud ko nila niya stress na kay ko ba because lisod maguto akong gihandle that time kay sa first shift nako 7, 8 and 9 so I was still adjusting ba sa mga kuan silang attitude silang behavior and then naiuban nga magligid-ligid sila ilang silhigan ang salog then maghida sila magligid-ligid sila din pasang kiatjud kay sila as in labad kay sila laming panghapakon may pangkumuton ang bakbay na gani but kailangan nga nakay patience gyud inana.
Next question kay, what skills would you say you developed during your internship?
I see. I guess it's kanang optimism and resilience because of course kanang there are lots of things nga wala man jud siya sa kuha kanang I have to think about ways on how to deliver the lesson effectively and of course with the advancement of technology nya dili kay siya accessible dito ba kay bukin man ang locations sa school so less ra gani ang opportunity nga ma-incorporate gay nako ang kanang technology ba sa pagkuan sa lesson and of course when it comes to optimism medyo nagkulang ko ana ba so amo na ang ako ang na-develop na-improve ako ang kuan dara kay medyo negabi ako nya kulbaanan pa jud ko of course it is interconnected na sila ba pag akong pagkanega akong pagka kanang murag nervyosa ba inana so man akong mga na-learn dito.
So next question is, did the company give you allowance or any benefits during your internship?
Oh, never. Wala jud mi nadawat ana even like kanang ginagmay nga gift for us before mini na human ba before mini hawa didto og tudlo because maybe kanang una pa manggudto nila muna pa nila nga nagka-ST sila ba na nag OJT didto so wala sila kabaloon sa ilahang mga buhaton before me mo kuan mo laka wala gani kanang farewell party but kuan man dili man sad na moy amo ang we are not after that cause ang amo lang is kanang successful ang amo ang kuan ba internship there but still thankful and grateful kay ilaming gi-accepted to.
Next question. Did you get a chance to attend company meetings and interact with professional during the internship?
Yes, of course. Naman jud ang interaction with like teachers or cooperating teachers and colleagues there. And also I get to like connect and cooperate with kana ganing BFP because at that time kanang nagkuan sila orientation ba so we gathered all the students sa usa ka venue and then cooperator mi sila.
So after the internship, did you get any offer from the company or referred by someone from them?
No, unfortunately. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye-bye.